can give you like Romeo, if you be my mommy, Benzi, I could put you in my Benzi, Kijende Mbarara Road, Chinechana Charinga. The way you shake it, mama, I like it. The way you walk it, mama, I like it. The way you shake it.
I think when I got Vinji, Saturday, me, I'm ready, the team is ready. Police traction is situated instead of Munonga. I wish I was in the Vinji Munonga because me, it will be industry for so many years. So, thank you so much. You know, I wish I was Vinji Munonga, Mukurebaha. Representing Arusha Muzvinji Munonga, and of course National Munonga kwa MC banje kumshajika because now we're trying to change the game as MCs. Arusha Muzvinji kacheza
Ole media niyo yonke yo kushanga ebirungi nkebyo Sekwati nkole media vira nkole
As we are getting ready, let's get ready. Let's get ready for our combat. We are getting ready. We are getting ready. Let's get ready, all of us. He's an MC, alongside some combat MC. Yes, we're gonna be giving you this life of play. Come on, I watch you. Go see.
Sema toka tena chile amani Olio musija wa amani
Now we are welcoming MC Kacheche to the press conference. Yeah, man. You ya tambula tutuka kompora mpora.
Kacheche for Ugandan music. DBC kaujana mani sorry. Ati DBC na wetu mwetagadi mami. Mama. All right. Belga, good to go?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Yeah.
Belga MC, Little MC are your host today. But of course, we are preparing for the biggest day that is happening this very Saturday. We have MC Kacheche.
Yeah. Thank you that we are here. Thank you for our brother MC Kacheche. Thank you for making this day. Father, we pray that may this event be a successful one. From the press conference to the event on Saturday. Abantu abaryoka batakubasa kujabine kubakwata mukama tuyambe babase kwija tuhira abantu muri bushonda yo no bamukaga tuzo mwanya ogu kandi birakorwe hano ukorwa mu kitinisa cyawe Yesu Kristo mukama witu.
Yeah, man. Send them on. Let's read, of course, I mentioned NBS, I mentioned Sanduka TV, I mentioned Next Radio, all in there. Thank you so much, NBS, for being part of the Kacheche experience. Yonka. Flame condoms. Oh. That was the sponsors. Marriage subs in the building where you at? Marriage subs in the ignite your passion. Thank you so much. We're gonna be with condoms.
Mwanyeleza motege. Tusitufanye zimani. Bandari saidu mchiga. Nikolino mwadalitu wakolia. Bandari mwanda. Iswapelito wakabi. Rwabuje. Bemsikundana bandari koleta. Send adroof. Nega puta Edize Music. Mwila ku YouTube, Instagram, Google. Na Edize Music. TikTok. Abishiwa libona. Mweba Edize kwa kwanza mkoro mwanjoko. Yama. Barakacheche boy. Kamkede mwili ya wichi ya kata jenze.
Ubugaro bwitaho kwebere mnonga Osman iyo tujya rukundo gito tugamba ahubwo rukundo yonka
so irizo bakacheche ajamulinya na mkwate iyo shawe ni ngende MC shawe
iyo tugurize tukwendaha
tukwendaha bachumshawe
because it literally inspired all of us by MC Musa Uganda. Show yawe yo kubanza ekeri kukora history. Ejina yo kusiringa rukundo omusinge mkoko. So batumwe na misha ba Saturday banywani banya bajoko bona mu bagambire byo supporting MC Kacheche. Supporting Kacheche on Saturday no ko wano
ticket. Actually, my whole family volunteered to buy a table. So I'll give you the money tomorrow afternoon. Hinemo omata shashwi. Mukana areba hahari hempaka zo kugura tickets. Haza na nyenjeraga abantu. Tor ejine mitwari 10 mumpe tickets 10 neza beshongozi 10 waje. Echacha ndeta chikwijirira kwa people, please come and take my seat. Thank you.
Muchiga ubugaro washairi burikai banda ubugaro washairi na muchiga batuma ubugaro tumutera
kwija amazina y'Inshuti 256 kandi mwe bare kwija buzo kandi mwongere no kweta abantu uramkaga tuje tuhagire MC Kacheche tuzaha na rukundo nyinshi rukundo yo mwe bare no. Thank you.
Nenda kusima each and everyone owijaha kandi kongera kuhabisiriza ikiza kuba kiyaha this very Saturday nyongera kutahiraka aliyeje nshonga ibiro mukaga yoko kwezi kwenye that is this very Saturday tuje tuhagire MC Kacheche. He's been there, he's been tested and tried and approved. Era tukatekaho project ka blue tick certified, and we appreciate your service in the Western music industry. Each and every artist, I don't know on the other artists, but I believe he's been there for each and every artist in the Western music industry. We've been tested and he's been working for us. Thank you so much, MC
Yes, thank you so much.
the king of the rest of the building.
Kacheche awako Kacheche na shadika abantu bona yako baine show Kacheche wako wanza mkito kandi wako heruka mkito wako nteruka na wako itkote gwe bale munonga kugira umutima gwo kukonde kintu gwo kugira mukirike abahagizi bitu mwe na imari tubetengu orwa mukago mwije ahamanya ngo kuma university ini kimererwe na Kacheche Cheche Boy. Elizina ya Ruheri ya Cheche Boy. Kora na twoka ni mbona nyenda mu polisi nge bo mwizina ati ore cyo kwenda namje Cheche Boy. Yes. You're the winner, I know.
Ingi wankai.
He's the winner, I know. So, uzo bari nyingine ikaje tuspende chumena man. Baba ni.
So twirende ba supportinga nkabrisho. So amazina ninye Muhumuza Eddie, manager wa Regit Recruitment Consultant Company branch. So twe Kacheche teenager manage kunza mugamba wo twirende supportinga na roti supporting ile, even we are still supporting you Kacheche ahora okahura wa brabra Regit roho. So za kusapotinga buringero yona nkaburijo ngo kutwire tukora aha buri muntu wina mwe bari munango
manager ni nyeno twara hera aroni
bakatata kuba ebutwatko rero mugemoji ebutwatko rero mugemoji n'ebintu munonga tumurebireho tumwejireho we atagiye na gemoji ya MC kumara no muchuma tuko chini so ngo mushara mani akatigura muhanga nyinji na mbona brand wa MC TJ arijire koro kigo cy'aba successful kandi ko mushara wa temu kono mama ndaza mutemu garabo ico so brand wa jina ivuga ina kapikini ba manzuru no mushara mani, thank you so much. Na nyota ndio tano tickets ndokura tickets katurewe kachiche nguru kazinga ino bumene bitu ngurezidai 15 anaza nguru tickets kandi uri naza nguru tickets 5 iza bafani bajaba na bakakula mlio takoma genge tuli bana yokora bitupa anyobeka kusaba okusasira nango kusasira nokusasibwa abatimu yaje Western Age Media turabasa kubaho bafuna mu abakwatamo bari mu tuwa zabu za Kasese turabasa kuja ukani mukimanya ile ni timu MC Kacheche na chi ni presente batume tubeta uramukago uru muje tujire MC Kacheche bafana bitu mbanyani bitu mwena muje tujire MC Kacheche uramukago uru aha University Elite kochi. Thank you so much.
Media yaha Aroketo Brown Muchiga, yes, designer cruiser yaha bona Nibiti Munonga. So right about now, yes, nani shabantu achino mugore witu, then questions will come later. Yaeza gamba uinecho kwenda kubuza ha show wano yunokwe mugunya kona hamwesho ngozore bila artwork of teka mtarije ndio nanaza kubalia hakwasa kwa hino na tugambara. But before ataki izere reka twaraka kajisha kwa chira Queen Mother then oya mtwachira. Ladies and gentlemen, Sister Charity.
Mukama simu musibireke mwebare rukundo basebo nabanye mwebare kuhatira music ukuruga hakutandika mpaka na hashitwashika ni puraje n'abanyamunya Kacheche sebo kuna banze kurizire nyonga ndakumango y'umunyakore kabanza byateganza na jatoro kuri mushikahi mpaka ina gushikire karema direction zo kuhereza basa imisya w'ikiriti wabare abojo nabishiki aho bihera ariko abasya promotion ze zo kozire ijo kunagire gukora show bama abantu abunaye murize kamuronda yanshoborera yapereza n'imihanda yo kurabamo nabicana byinshi ko kubyabire he was part kandi akakontributing cyangwa nabwo cyagwe kitakwenda amateka umunterero mungana
Baby, if you're gonna love me, I can give you like Romeo. If you be my mommy, Benzie, I could put you in my Benzie. Kijende mbarara roji, chine chana charenga. The way you shake it, mama, I like it. The way you walk it, I like it. The way you shake it,
DJ Kubelongo Sebo.
Ni manye ngombe yanje God what kandi cya kabiri sheje ngize ngete rukundo yonka icyo kureba niki abeshingozi bona baryaba they are very busy artists kumbe kuraba kwatakire baje kanje pistamena misika cheche tumushagire twita abantu bamukaga mwe munonga beshongozi banje mukama bahemigisha bayeza hits mwongera gukitete tukokwe. And of course this side nyina kusima ba bloggers bitu mwe na influencers abagizi bitu mwe teringo zamani munonga more special abatambana ni Buguni town aba mutukija sinema bana bitu bakakoba gaza mwe barenyo bakabinyo botiganga mwe barenyo. Thank you so much. Zana geto zona. Bora munonga kumchizungu wa mchisanyi mwana mwe bari munonga. So tika na gama munonga because unakuwa mukaga. But before I go far, nina kumaza nasi mawa sponsor bitaba. Niza kutari kana official sponsor witu 91.2 Kuzo FM. Okunimu kuruga. Abunonga tilimoni stamp akajaka cheche. Tuchikole nena tuchikole mwe bari Kuzo FM. Thank you so much. Sema Lucas, Mr. Andrew Mugambe, I've appreciated you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kuzo FM. And of course, Nyirakusima Campus Cinema, thank you so much. I've been able to give you bakora by movies that consulting something very new. Very soon, Mr. Willie will be telling us what they're doing to Mara City. Nyirakusima Inspire Africa Group. Nyirakusima Mnonga, thank you so much, Mr. Nelson, for the contribution and support. Namboni Mugabire Africa Inspire Africa Coffee Nasi Makemsi Kacheche. Thank you so much to Timo Mugati, Dr. Timothy, thank you so much. Kansalamon ya chimuna kwa saganyeme mwenye ndibukali itwe. Alimuna kwa sende mwenye na one family yitu Kansalamon. Timo wale mnonga diko Timothy wale mnonga kasende kakafuna echimshimunti tupushinga wale mnonga. And of course nyina kusima legit nono wanjiaje nako kama wale mnonga wale legit kunteka makasente kumeka sure mshone happen engage. Nyina kwa was a brief photographer. Thank you so much Asta. Webale nnyo, thank you so much. Mkwalibyo supporting nga buli omu content mulungi bifaananyi birungi. Webale nnyo tojjangu huku. Thank you so much mpaka. And of course nyina kusima cool events amuna kole kintu kyamaano kwenyuma. By Friday tomorrow evening sakuba kiri stadium Aldadi. Of course nyina kusima one of the biggest media house, Next Media, that is NBS. Webale nnyo, thank you so much King Kalis and the whole team. Thank you so much Sanyuka TV, Afro Mobile. Webale nnyo. In the other side, when we go to TV, there were main sponsor wetu. That is NBS TV, Sanyuka, Afro Mobile, Next Media. You want to thank you so much, Alexi. Take my information now. I've appreciated you. Thank you so much. Yena kusema Aquafina, Amiz Marunji, from Pepsi Cola manager Julius. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. Aquafina, Munyamiziga Aquafina Gamuzire Munonga, and of course Gamiziga Munonga. Las Vegas Hotel, JPA Rooms is where most of our artists are going to sleep. Thank you so much, Manager Edwin, Las Vegas, supporting MC Kacheche, Ninga Mbala Boy Experience, Munonga. The Hellies never can supporting Engineer Mnano and the Heli Baby all the way from Kasese. But when I support the kind of wine show next year on April, please show love and support. I think mkutanchire kampeni ejo kuta mamu ndiya kule chivuliche tumushaji ketu muhajire kutwajiru washayino mchika pictures wadi gone tuwa muhajira katwaza kabari because tuenda kali cheji tukozitida mbara kichwari mwitu nzezi tuze kabari na ubachitiri tuze na anka kasese na ubachitiri au kubati mbara wotu wachimaze tuchelizecho tukora show zitu mchitera chiringa kandi chiba my dad. So nyenda kai niemwe tujitwale kigezi supporting and ambayo fact zamani ailechivuru nishaba bloggers abeshongozi tumushaji ketu ze kabare tumuhajire mtu achukoze wa shayino michiga Snaz na nabandi BBC ogo biggest sponsor and of course na mtu tuchukole tuchitere nino nijana kala kule chivu tuchitera kwa ati ekintu tukachikaza yenda kusema sponsor wanje ndijo DBC webale nyumami. Thank you so much bane mukubire ngalo zamani DBC Ugwambajire tigesi yazugura yagura table and of course nenchagezwa kubana za kubana kwa decoration ya table VIP kandi badi kafushwatamu kichwachi disende munonga bale DBC okubango tukole emirimo emirungi and of course ndagalo twarova kabange ili mbakama bafibali abalala Pire hiyo noji gambe. Thank you so much kuva kumutota pire hiyo na yona tuyanzege mwebale munonga kutukagira no kumana muhagire minyeto timu ya Piyona chairman bona timu mke wasime munonga mwebale munonga kumana kutukagira. I met Toyota a few days back alekiri Angela tuli nawe tuli niwe, and thank you so much. And of course ngera kusima Las Vegas namusimire basponsor bingi munonga ko kamabale munonga. I think when agamba bingi Saturday me I'm ready, the team is ready. Police twachiri the situation stade munonga. Abesha muzine bingi munonga because me ndiwe mu industry for so many years. So thank you so much. Ninabesha muzine bingi munonga mukureba aha ni representing abesha muzine bingi munonga. And of course nashima munonga kwa ba MC banje kumshajika because now we're trying to change the game as MCs. Abesha muzima bakacheza bakachitereza, and of course with our support ati ba MCs ndia ko representing of course chikora shayeji na batako chikora muhanga tukujana wose miganda yonka kwa muhanga. And of course I would love to see my brother, one of my brothers abukubati wose ndine MC mwanka kina ba MCs bingi munonga. I would love to see maybe next year come now angelisa MC na ono kore chikoko hiyo next time basa kujaka stepping aside pushing lifa na MC ninga pushing kunana ninga kwakashukwa na kakora kali ninga gaza bless ninga TJ koko nitoinda suite ya MC kule bepangu atali MC kacheche wenka koko. So with few tinko na gamba kinji munonga, of course so tell so bale nyoroba okonomsha wa manu munonga roba mtende zamani munonga. Thank you so much Uncle Roba. Of course na mama wanjua tayari wesi wabale munonga. Thank you so much tayari wesi manager banks wabale munonga. And of course Mr. Roba watoa Roba kabanje uheza Mr. Kafuko mjiye bale munonga. Support yone yakishirika Mr. Fred Kafuko na mtende zamani munonga Mr. Fred Kafuko support nje munonga abonaba majestic wabale munonga Mr. Fred Kafuko tuna jina supporting almost tuna supporting nyenda kubaza buli omuwe na beshongozi ba bloga ba influencer kandi yende MC so nanta karejera bantu okwata content okutambika nza kono posting za kwanza msposting Monday Tuesday na mbona na kwanza bajiposting na kamande ejonengoro serap suranisha ba content posting elizoba ni chimaje of course campaign zimwe z'ibisho nshwechira shobida kwa gatatu za ukeli lizoba ndibaseni tukura abantu batule ba this week koko na show these 2 days to making sure to pushing a content to making sure at least nitwe abantu bachimanya that we have a show this Saturday Maraba Experience season 2 ukunde yonka okuja twinakire kache munonga nizaga kumba MC bapatike sezo zigaboti kubanza kuzigabanda konkanyo ni shuwa mushoro amukaga twachitire because first and foremost in the good information tables almost sold out. Abakuza tables mwebale munonga tables ni nyingi munonga mwebale munonga. I think by tomorrow nzapatire tables zone tables zoba zimaziro na bani tables nyambire kwa shije katamba budo mwabona kuza table mwebale munonga. Thank you so much shomi jikozire nabakuza aleba ticket mwebale munonga. So this I think man that ticket nzigabenti mazukaza mbuzo kache ninga
nijara mashoga yakire nza kufuna y'abantu barazigabe koze cyo kumanya bintu munonga bari already with
Rockers Association kajeche cha event ya Saturday na nyenda kufuna highlight ya Esahis tu na kwantandikira mu event sazinga zenye abantu bitabakuriga isinjiro abakuriga side zoko nenda kumanya saa zenye.
Okay. Listen, I just call you question and answer. Niza kutandika Pro Maxi teka unajihura za kusema na team na tujiteka utulivitika kwa final answer right now. Kind of course yanabuza time
Kore media niyo yonka yo kushanga hebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati kore media vira kore